Hello and welcome to Ramsport, where we're proud to offer service, maintenance, restoration and repair to your classic and vintage road, race and rally cars. Allow me to introduce to you this 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. This iconic vehicle is currently in the workshop for a vehicle inspection and service work following a long distance road trip. Our inspection highlighted a few mechanical items requiring attention. However, in this video we address the underside. We found the underseal was flaking and in some areas non-existent. But rather than me telling you, we'd much rather show you. And now with that work complete, we return to the workshop to carry out the mechanicals. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you've enjoyed this one and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.